Justice BR Gavai has once again hinted at recent allegations against the judiciary in the Supreme Court, this time during a hearing against alleged obscenity on OTT platforms. The Supreme Court of India has agreed to examine a public interest litigation, or PIL, that raises concerns over obscene and indecent content on social media as well as OTT platforms. The petition was filed by former Information Commissioner Uday Mahurkar along with 4 others. The bench, led by Justice BR Gavai, who is said to be the next Chief Justice of India, and Justice A.G. Masi, issued notices on Monday to the Union Government and several major digital platforms. These include Netflix, Amazon Prime, Alt Balaji, Ullu Digital, Mubi, Meta, Google, Apple and X Corp. During the hearing, Justice Gavai, however, remarked that, quote, "This falls in the executive's domain. As it is, we are already facing allegations of interfering with the executive domain," unquote. This was in relation to recent attacks against the judiciary and Supreme Court by members of Bharatiya Janata Party and others, especially in the aftermath of Supreme Court's decision on how long a governor or president can take to approve a state bill. Justice Gavai then added that the court was cautious about overstepping into legislative or executive powers but would still issue notice due to the seriousness of the matter. Advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain, representing the petitioner, said, "My lords, this is not an adversarial plea, but there is a serious concern here." He pointed to explicit content circulating freely on digital platforms without any checks or restrictions. The Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, has acknowledged the seriousness of the issue and said, "The content is so perverse that even 2 men cannot sit together in a room and watch it." SG Mehta stressed that while some regulation already exists, more rules are being considered by the Union government. The court responded by saying something should be done. The bench noted that the petition raised a serious matter of important concern and decided to tack it with other similar pending cases. The court's official order stated, and I'm quoting, "This petition raises an important concern with regard to the display of various objectionable, obscene and indecent content on OTT platforms as well as social media." Learned Solicitor General fairly states that contents go to the extent of perversity. He submits that certain more regulations are in contemplation. The petitioners include Uday Mahurkar, Sanjeev Newar, Sudeshna Bhattacharya Mukherjee, Shatabdi Pandey and Swati Goyal. The court had recently flagged similar concerns while hearing another case involving digital content in the India's Got Latent Row regarding Ranveer Allahabadiya. In that hearing, the bench urged the government to consider creating regulations for online media platforms, including social media.